Tabakara Kamala Varina Kamadhuta Singam Dolita Hiranyaka Sikutana Bringam Tabakara Kamala Varina Kamadhuta Singam Namaste Narasimhaya Prahlada Ladini Hiranya Kasipur Bhaksha Silatanka Nakhalai Namaste Narasimhaya Prahlada Ladadaini Hiranya Kasipu Bhaksha Silatanka Nakhalai Namaste Narasimhaya Prahlada Ladadaini Hiranya Kasipu Bhaksha Silatanka Nakhalai Ito Nisinga Paratu Nisinga Yatu Yami Tato Nisinga Bahir Nisinga Hridayi Nisinga Nisinga Madhyam Kesabadhrita Narahadi Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hari Jaya Jagadisha Hari Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Again repeat the first month. Namaste Narasimhaya Prahlada Ladadaini Hiranya Kasipur Bhaksha Silatanka Nakhalai Ito Nisinga Parato Nisinga Jato Yami Tato Nisinga Bahir Nisingho Hridayi Nisinga Nisinga Madhyam Saranam Prabhate Tabakara Kamala Varena Kama Singam Dalita Hiranya Kasipu Tana Bringam Kesabadhrita Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hari Jaya Jagadisha Hari Jaya Jagadisha Hari. The first one again. Namaste Narasimhaya Prahlada Ladadaini Hiranya Kasipur Bhaksha Silatanka Nakhalai. The meaning of this mantra that I offer my humble obeisance to Lord Nrsimha, who is the source of bliss to Prahlada. But Hiranyakasipu Bhaksha, his father Hiranyakasipu, on his chest, the nails of his finger is just like chisel cutting the stone. The same personality of Godhead is Prahlada Ladadain. Allada means pleasure. For Prahlad, Prakishtarupena Allada, Prahlad. A devotee is, being always in Krishna consciousness, naturally is in blissfulness. And still more, when he meets or associates with his Lord is still more blissfulness. That is the position of the theist devotee. Whereas the atheist non-devotee is always feeling like a strike of the chisel, like what is called stone cutting chisel, nakhalaya, simply by the nails of his finger.
Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya